Welcome to the demo of the 26C feature, scan or enter lot and serial details for Backflush components using industrial handheld devices in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. Prior to this update, industrial handheld mobile operation transactions supported Backflush of only plain components or ingredients. As a result, production operators couldn't capture lot and serial information for tracked Backflush components during operation completion transactions and had to rely on additional material transactions outside the mobile workflow. With this enhancement, operators can now scan or enter lot and serial details for Backflush components and ingredients directly during mobile manufacturing operation completion transactions using industrial handheld devices. This enhancement supports plain, lot-controlled, serial-controlled, and lot and serial-controlled components, helping manufacturers improve shop floor efficiency, streamline operation reporting, and ensure accurate inventory tracking. In this demo, we will walk through a typical shop floor operation transaction using an industrial handheld device. The scenario begins with completing an operation transaction and capturing the required lot and serial information for Backflush components. We will then review the Backflush material lines, validate the components consumed during the operation, and enter any mandatory tracking details. Once material lot and serial information has been recorded, we will submit and complete the operation completion transaction, demonstrating an efficient, mobile-enabled manufacturing execution process with end-to-end material traceability. After logging in as production operator, select the production reporting. The menu shows material transaction actions and operation transaction actions, including complete. The operator clicks on Complete. The report operation completion page opens. The operator scans or enters the work order M1-1320 and operation sequence 10. Because the assembly is serialized, the page also shows a serial number field so the operator can identify the product serial being completed. User can scan or select pre-assigned serials for the work order operation. The operator opens the serial number list of values. Here the operator selects product serial number P359377. After the required serial context is provided, the operator can continue to the next step in the completion flow. The operator can print the label, if required. The operator proceeds to capture the Backflush material information by clicking the Next button. The Backflush materials page appears with the list of pull components for the operation only if any component require lot or serial details. All pull components are displayed, including non-lot serial-enabled plain component, lot-controlled, serial-controlled, and lot serial-controlled components. Some components are in pending status while other are in ready status. For pending status components, lot serial details are to be provided. The operator scans or enters a component. The operator scanned component ECM100001. The scanned component appears on the top of the list, and the status helps the operator see whether the component still needs lot or serial details before completion. Component ECM100001 is a lot-enabled component and the page prompts for a lot number. The operator can scan the lot or select from the available lots. The operator opens the lot number list of values and selects an available lot for the component. After the lot details are entered, the component is updated to ready status. Components that have the necessary information are marked ready, while any component still missing required details remains pending. Operator can click on the pencil icon to review and edit the component details. The component detail page shows the selected lot, subinventory, locator, quantity to transact, UOM, and basis. The operator can modify the details, if required, and clicks Done. Next, the operator scans component ESB100000. The serial field is visible for serial-controlled components, allowing the operator to scan or select the serial to be backflushed. The operator opens component serial number list of values, showing list of available serial numbers. The operator selects the specific serial number being issued. The backflush material rows are now ready. Once the required lot and serial information has been captured, the operator clicks on Complete button to complete the operation transaction from the handheld device. The operation completion is successful. A toast message confirms that the operation transaction was reported. The report completion page is ready for the next transaction. User can scan or enter another work order and operation. To summarize, with this feature, operators can now scan or enter lot and serial details for backflush components and ingredients directly during mobile manufacturing operation completion transactions using industrial handheld devices. This concludes the feature demo. Thank you for watching.